Welcome and thanks for taking time to learn about something that's made a positive difference in millions of people's lives around the world and all want to change their lives. You can have everything that what you want. How? I'm Krishma Mary. I'm here to teach you about our international business platform Forever Living Products International. Now before the session start, quickly do an activity and that is take a screenshot of this session and send it to your sponsor or in which group you are added, send there. Remember, send must because it will be your attendance. Our question was how? It's simple. Help enough people. If you have a dream, we have a plan. To get the one, we hope that this can be a transformative moment in your lives too. You probably have a lot of questions. Today in this session, we'll start by answering 3 big ones. First, in Forever Living Products, how to do work, or what is exactly that, what do we do? Marketing or business plan, and finally its incentives. How does Forever help tens of thousands of people in US and millions worldwide? Look better, feel better, earn a living. It's a world's best international platform. Forever Living International. Not local or national, it's international. Let's little discuss about it. If you want to know in detail, there is a detailed session video. If you want to see, you can get it from the I button which is right side of the top corner. And from description box, you may also get its link as well. Forever was founded since from 13 May 1978 Arizona. In 2021, it has 43 years now. It's world leader in aloe vera and bee honey. Working in 168 plus countries, it have its own 6,400 global offices. $2.5 billion is turnover. It's world's only vertically integrated brand and it's a wellness industry. Let's talk about how to do work or what do we do. Okay, so what exactly we do is, first we become our own best customer. Like I mentioned, a lot of successful Forever business owner has been using the product. You cannot share the products without it, with enthusiasm, without you using them. I always encourage you use the product. Number 2, when you are happy about the product, share the products. Share your experience because you can be blessings to others. We can help a lot of people to have longer life, to support their health, help them look better and feel better with our products. To share products, you can be blessings third. You can build a team of customers or you can build a team of business builders. So that's what do we do right now? We build a team of business builders. That's why we show you this opportunity. And the last, but not the least, we coach people how to do the business effectively, especially nowadays. People are into social media. People are mostly online, like what you are listening right now is a training. You are watching this because someone has sent you. The technology right now has gone beyond the expectation. That is really helps to reach more people, like how we are reaching you right now. So we coach people how to do that. We coach people how to look and find their customer and they keep people in the business. We can build our business through the power of recommendation. So move forward. You probably have question about network marketing. To understand how network marketing, sometimes called multi-level marketing, works, we first need to understand how the traditional digital marketing place works. Let's take a nutritional product as an example. The traditional retail model was developed in England during the Industrial Revolution. This process hasn't changed much in over 300 years, despite massive changes in economy. It starts with a grower who send their harvest to manufacturer. The manufacturer produce a product and sell it to a wholesaler. The wholesaler distribute it to many retail stores who then sell it to a customer. Each step along the way, there are expenses to pay and profits to earn. There is nothing necessarily wrong with traditional retail pathway. However, what Forever does is far more straightforward. Forever grows, produce and distribute the world's finest aloe-based products. They distribute them through Forever business owners like you and I. Those profits that traditionally would go to middlemen now go to us in the form of bonus compensation, car allowance and travel incentives. Forever business owners have 2 streams of income. We have customers that simply love our products, and we have team members who like us to seek to build for our businesses. For our opportunity is like a growing tree. As you add new team member, you add new branches. Those new branches produce new branches themselves. With consistent effort over time, you have a large tree streaming from your single trunk, your forever business. What are the advantages of running your own business forever? First, you get to decide when and how much you want to work. 95% of people start their work forever business as a part-time in their spare time. Next, you can become a better person, your best self. Forever business owners work with friends and colleagues, people you choose to work with, and finally you decide how much you want to earn. You have the products, support, and system. You need to transfer your efforts into substantial profits and nearly limitless growth. You are plugging into a proven system of success, both locally and globally. Network marketing is an effective business model that uses the power of personal recommendation to sell products. Companies that use this model of sales and move distribution billions of dollars of products each year. Let's look at some of reasons why you should choose Forever to build your network marketing business. Since 1978, there have been booms and there have been busts. Forever has survived and thrived, getting each year stronger. Forever is a suitable, secure place to build your business. At some of the large markets in which Forever has chosen to compete throughout the world, we produce incredible skincare and personal care products everyone uses every day. Tooth gel, soap, lotion, creams, shampoo, and a full line of makeup. This is a massive opportunity for Forever business owners. There are 3 paths to become a successful business owner. The first is to use the products and share them with others. This is essentially a retail business. Your second option is to build being a small team of people or group of people like you who are looking for something extra income or extra in life. People who will both use and share the products and find others who will do the same. Finally, as you gain team members who begin building large teams, you become a business developer, helping others to do as you have done. Let's go back and look at each of these steps in more detail. First, your business starts with gaining personal experience and making recommendation to others. In other words, developing a retail business. 90% of us are not salespeople. We simply use the product and recommend them to others. Many distributors never have more than 15 to 20 customers. Typically, with this type of business can earn between $250 to $400 per month. While that may not pay the mortgage, it can take some pressure off the monthly household budget. The next step is to build a small team. As you recommend the products to others, you'll find that some of your customers have the same motivations as you build a small team of 15 to 25 individuals, each with their own customers, each building their own teams. You can expect to earning between $1,000 to $25,000 per month. For most of us, that will pay the mortgage. For most of us, that will make a major difference in our monthly budget. Finally, you're able to build a large team, introducing the Forever opportunity to others who will do the same over and over again. Your consistent effort over time will produce remarkable and life-changing results. When you have taken this step, things really start to get exciting. Marketing or business plan. To understand more about this business, you must understand these slides. It's actually the most important slides. In our business, we have CC. CC means case credits, or you may call as well common currency. So these are the abbreviation of CC. Case credit are used for count your progress and your income in Forever. What are CC? CC are the points. Forever give points to each per product. 1000 points completed, it become 1 CC. 2000 points, 2 CC. In Forever, every time we purchase, we get case credit. Forever make this business easy through case credits. That CC are the same in every country, but its value is different. It's according to their country. Somewhere is decrease and somewhere is increase. So value is set by its own country currency. Most of all have questioned that, how will you start it? Your answer is, you can start as a preferred customer. If you want to be a customer to start, its online registration is free. The person who sent you this link will register you. And when you become a preferred customer, you enjoy 5% discount per every product. But remember, you are only a customer here. If you want to start the business, now all you have to do is to become an assistant supervisor. How to become a business assistant supervisor? For that, you need to complete 2CC. Purchase your combo pack or purchase your 2 case credit worth of products. What you want or need. Once you purchase your 2 case credits of product, you will become permanent assistant supervisor. Your business will start when you are an assistant supervisor. Your discount will move to 30%. From 5% of discount, now you will enjoy 30% discount. 30% discount every time when you purchase your products through those 2 case credits. By achieving 25cc, you will become supervisor. These cc will not do alone. 25cc will when you have 13 assistant supervisor in your downline. Your downline cc will also count and add in your ID as well. 13 people means 13 assistant supervisor. And add their 2 case credit will become 25cc. It will possible and easy with the power of duplication. You can complete 25cc alone as well. Choice will be yours. It will be more easy and fast when you have the power of duplication team. Every successful people have duplication team to grow. See McDonald's, how it spread in all over the world through good duplication team, as well good communication skill. At 75cc, you will become an assistant manager. At 120cc, you will be manager. From assistant supervisor to manager, your discount will be 30%. Manager is a dream level of every person. All positions are permanent. Once you achieve a level, it will permanent. Let's briefly discuss what are the benefits of this level. The income which will going to be discussed, it is USA dollars. Okay? The person who sent you this link or who discussed this great opportunity to you will register you online. You will become a novice or a preferred customer. You will get 12 digits unique ID which will register in 168 plus countries. Now you can enjoy 5% discount on each product. And with that, have a golden opportunity to become millionaire. At assistant supervisor, when you complete 2cc, your discount will be increased. Now you can enjoy 30% discount on each product. You'll get 5% cash back, or you call it personal bonus. Recommendation income will be 25%, and at this position, your monthly average will be $133 to $401 per month. At supervisor, by achieving 25cc, benefits will be discount 30%, 8% cashback, that means personal bonus. Recommendation income will be 28%. At this level, Forever starts giving you volume bonus. So volume bonus will be 3%. Monthly average income $267 to $535 per month. At assistant manager, you have to complete 75cc. Its benefits: discount 30%, 13% cashback, personal bonus. Recommendation income will be 33% and volume bonus 5% from supervisor and 8% from assistant supervisor. Monthly average income $535 to $936 per month. At manager, by completing 120cc, benefits: discount 30%, 18% cashback. Recommendation income will be 38%, volume bonus 5% from assistant manager, 10% from supervisor and 30% from assistant supervisor. Monthly average income $1,338 to no limit. Yeah, per month, no limits. That's why it is a dream level. Every person wants to achieve this level. That's not the limit after you become a manager. You can progress more because we have more positions or more levels that we can achieve. And this is what we call jam bonus, or you can achieve this. When you help two people to become manager, so by helping two people to become manager, you will be called senior manager. Typically, income of a senior manager is $2,018 to $3,364 per month. If you help 5 people to become managers, you will be called soaring manager. And an income of soaring manager is $4,710 to $6,729 per month. When you have 9 managers, then you will call sapphire manager. Your income $12,112 to $20,188 per month. By helping 17 people to become manager, then you call diamond sapphire manager. Your income $20,188 to $29,609 per month. When you have 25 people to become manager, then you'll call diamond manager. Monthly income will be $36,340 to $1,34,595 per month. When you generate 50 managers, you'll call double diamond manager. Monthly income $80,757 to $2,69,189. When generate 75 managers in your downline, you will call triple diamond manager. Monthly income $1,34,595 to $8,07,570 per month. And when you generate 100 managers in your downline, then you'll call centurial manager, and your monthly income will be $67,02,975 to $1,61,05,140 per month. So, what are you waiting for? Till here, are you exciting or understanding all the points? So, hit the like button. If you want, you can subscribe it as well. So that shows that you are active, you are listening and understanding us properly. So the potential of this business is really in your hands. So there is no limit in what we can do. That's the power of this business. Why not give yourself the option to consider this business and develop a new career, new income for you and your family? Why 4-hour is smarter way to do the business? What's the difference between 4-hour in a traditional business? If you are in a traditional business, is there most of somewhere that you get a product from the factory make the product and they put a markup on the product, and then they will give it to a regional distributor or call national distributor, and those people will put an office or a warehouse or shipping facilities for those products to be shipped or to be get. There's another markup. Then there are the retailers that where we get our groceries or where we get our supplements. So there will another, and they will add another markup there, and the customer pays. That's the traditional way of doing business. But in 4-hour, we actually deal with directly who manufacture the products, who distribute the products and give to us, to distributors. So there is no middleman. There is no market between. When we give the product to our customers are happy because they don't pay a lot and they get quality products. We remove the middleman, we cut off these people in between who put a lot of markup, and we make our customers happy. Further, we having a direct touch with our customers. This way of doing business, once you enter, their store will pick up their products, it ends up there. That's why we having personal touch, personal service. And it's much more effective way, a smarter way of doing business. The responsibility of making bonus payments to the 4-hour business owner with the company, which we have never missed this date even once. 15th of every month following the purchases. If 15th will be holiday, so payment will be before 15th, like 14th. When you'll be assistant supervisor, you have authority to build your business globally. The company knows that you can't do CC alone. That's why they provide you tools and features. When you become an assistant supervisor, you will get e-commerce website. This website can work 24/7 hours for you. If you know how to maximize it, you have a global business. That website works for you all over the world. You might have friends in Asia, and Europe, and Africa, and North America or South America, all over the world. People can become your business partner from that web store, and people can become your preferred customer all over the world. Let's discuss about bonuses and incentives. Not only you are making serious money, but you are qualified for a variety of bonuses and incentives as well, such as personal discount up to 30%, retail profit up to 43%, personal bonus, volume bonuses, jam bonuses, leadership bonuses, global rally, manager retreat, eagle manager retreat, 4 hour to drive, means car allowance. 3 levels are here according to CC target. Free travel tours by achieving CC criteria. It's another great incentive to travel travels. There are 2 trips per year available to everyone who achieves the incentive criteria. All expenses paid including spending money. Thousands of for our business owners will be there, and you can be there too. You will be provided by plane ticket, 5-star hotel, and traveling allowance as well. With that, yearly profit share, the chairman's bonus. That means forever annual global performance bonus. The bonus in addition to your regular monthly income, like you alone paid to people who keep in their activity and do works over and over again. Our best performance also happen to those who have the most fun at what they do. It's a real amazing opportunity that you can look. There are so many people all over the world who enjoy this. These are some people from the Middle East. Look at that, $340,000. And the other side, $405,000. From France, $468,000. From South Africa, $482,000. And from Germany, $1.5 million. This is USA dollars. It's the highest paid. Mr. Roof and his wife Dominic. From Italy, $538,000, and from UK, $831,000. If they can do it, we can do it as well. If we can do it, you can do it too. In popular incentive for Hour to Drive is our earned income incentive, which we also call for Hour to Drive. You can earn up to $9,600 per year to use however you wish. Most use it to pay for the car of their dreams. It's the incentive that also works for you. A daily reminder of what members of your team can achieve if they work hard like you do. So, wherever you're right now, opportunity is open for you to get this kind of reward in this world-class company called For Our Living Products. Once you get started, you will have an e-commerce website that will help you and guide you. People can shop there. We will teach you how to maximize it. Also, let me remind you, you are not limited geography. So, where you are right now, internet is your friend. We can build business globally. Last but not least, with our group, we have a system that you can follow, where you can develop faster. And you will not make mistakes that we did when we had started. So become a part of our amazing team, FLCP13. We will once you get started and had your business pass. We know how to direct you in which achieving success. So you can work hand in hand to us, that you can grow faster in your business. Now it's a different way. It's all online. We can work from home and we can build a business from home. Our monthly income streams that follow every hour of every day. Does all this seem too good to be true? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's hard work. Make no mistake. Successful business owners have worked long and hard. You do have to dream big. You have to positive attitude learn from those around you. This is a social business. The more time you spend with people, the more successful you will be. Be bold. Many people will say no, a few will say yes. Don't be discouraged. Enjoy the products and recommend them to others. If you are consistent in time, you will be successful. If you decide to make a decision and start the business with us with Forever, welcome to the winning team FLCP 13.
If you want to start, contact the person who sent you this link or who invites you. In next third training session, we will teach you about our Forever production and products. If we had not made the decision, we believe we won't have the health, wealth and freedom we have today. Our present is our future. There are moments in all our lives that can really change us forever for millions of people. One of those moments was hearing a presentation like this and deciding to give it a shot. You can change your life and you don't need to do it alone. Millions of people around the world have changed their lives by becoming a part of our Forever family. A wise man once said, "Decisions determine destiny." Now, the opportunity to make a decision that can determine your destiny and the destiny of those you love. You can decide to get started. To get started, order your first products and experience how they work in your life. Also, you can start learning more about Forever. To answer to your questions and learn more about how to change your life through building up Forever business. If I talk about myself, when this opportunity became in my life, during the training I thought might be it fake or scam. But when I took all trainings, I madly loved this. But still, my doubt was there. This opportunity became in my life through Facebook, so I started investigation by internet as well in real. And in both cases and in both situations, I found it 100% organic, real and secure. At that time, without wasting my time, I joined and start my work. And now, as a result, I'm in front of you all. So thanks for your kind attention. Talk to that person who shared this session link with you to learn more about how can make a major positive change in your life with Forever.